Cloud screen software is an incredible tool for people that are needing to do virtual events, and this is July of 2020, and this is a really interesting time in history because of this virus pandemic. I mean, it's forcing people to do a lot of things virtually. I mean, essentially no conferences or anything are going on right now, and wedding receptions, etc., are in the backyard instead of in the big event venues. So Cloud Screen allows you to put together a page that is, you basically put it together in your dashboard, and then you get a published page that gives you a URL, and you can socially media post this to people and put together all kinds of layouts. This one's anything but fancy, but this illustrates some of the content that you can pull together in a Cloud Screen layout. If you're having some kind of party or reception or anything, it's very easy to have a chat window. And again, you're sending this link to people who can't be there and socially promoting it. So they click the link and they see this page. I mean, you basically got an electronic guest book here where grandma can chat in something to the kids to wish them well. The cousins that are on the West Coast, or the mom or dad or sister or whatever that's deployed overseas in the service could, chat in a message. You could put together a slideshow to commemorate and highlight the occasions. This isn't, celebration pages is similar technology, but use your imagination. And something that's just a lot of fun at an event is being able to take pictures during the event, email those pictures in, and have this slideshow that I've got in the block in the upper left create itself during the event. So you can get a lot of candid shots from people. They put them in the slideshow, and then you've got this picture show that creates itself during the event. And the beauty of it is you don't have to chase down 50 or 100 or several hundred guests to try to get those pictures that they took. You've got them all in one place, which by itself is great. But I mean, the ability to do things like live streaming, which I'm going to go live here while I'm sitting here, and you can't see what I'm doing, but basically through the Twitch app I can do live streaming. I'm doing it from my Android phone, but you could do it from an Android, an Apple mobile device. You could do a computer with a camera and a capture card. You can just do all kinds of things. So now I'm doing a live video showing the computer screen, so you're looking at what I'm looking at, and that the beauty of this is it's coming from a phone, so it's extremely simple to do. And I'm going to kill the video. But here with our Cloud Screen event software is a virtual event page, which if you dress this up with graphics, you could really pull together some great stuff to commemorate your page. And then after the event, you could put this together with other content and pull together a souvenir page for the event. Cloud Screen, an incredibly powerful virtual event platform.